How to change the wallpaper and theme on your Redmi Note 7. Let's give your phone a fresh new look. First, go to your screen and long press on any empty space. And boom, a menu appears at the bottom. Tap on the wallpaper tab. Choose your favorite image, system, online or gallery and hit apply. It will ask you if you want to use the wallpaper on your home screen, lock screen or for both. Select the one you like. And just like that, you change the wallpaper. Now for themes, switch to Themes tab. Wallpaper and Themes tabs are side by side. In the Themes tab, you can preview full styles with icons, fonts and lock screen. Pick the one you like and tap download, then apply. And just like that, new wallpaper, new vibe and a whole new look for your Redmi Note 7. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.